Hello, beautiful. It's Wendy, and thank you so much for clicking that join button to learn more about becoming a Beauty and Grace Insider. I am beyond excited that you're here because this space is about so much more than makeup. It's about faith, beauty, and an amazing community of women who are growing together inside and out. So, what is this all about? YouTube memberships are a way to support your favorite creators while you're unlocking exclusive perks just for you. It's a fun way for us to connect on a whole deeper level and for you to get better access to me and all things beauty and faith. So your support means the world to me and helps me to keep this channel going. I pour my heart into every single video, bringing you fun makeup tutorials, scripture memory, and an uplifting community of women who love Jesus. Your membership helps me continue this mission, and I am so grateful for you. But let's talk about the fun stuff. So, below this video, you're gonna see a list of all the perks that come with each and every level. But here's a little sneak peek. So first we have the Divine Beauty. Get loyalty badges, custom emojis, priority replies, free coloring pages, and even members-only live chats. Then we have the Precious Jewel. Everything from Divine Beauty, plus you get early access to new videos, shout-outs, exclusive contests and polls, and private live streams. And finally, we have the Cherished Queen. Now, we're talking VIP status here. This includes social media connections, merch discounts, monthly product gifts, a free ebook for our current study, and you can even be a beta reader for my next book. So, if you love this community and want to go even deeper into beauty, grace, and faith, go ahead and hit that join button below and become a Beauty and Grace Insider. I cannot wait to connect with you in a whole new way. So, I'll see you on the inside, gorgeous. Love you.